Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my channel Golden Nanotech. Guys, this is a Acer Aspire ES1-511. This laptop have no bootable device, you can see. So this laptop problem is BIOS setup, because here installing Windows 7 is normal boot, legacy boot, but when sometime the battery remove, it's coming BIOS change. So I press F2 and you can see here is the BIOS setup. So I have to go to the boot, and you can see here is the UEFI boot is enabled and legacy boot installed operating system. So I have to change it legacy boot. You can see, enter, okay, and then go to the exit, saves changing and exit, yes. And now after restart, you can see the Windows will open, and here is the Windows 7. So this problem you can fix at home, guys. This model sometime battery automatic reset the BIOS setting. So guys, please like, share and subscribe my channel for the new video. Thank you. Have a nice day.